5 signs that you have scoliosis. 1, your pelvis is tilted. 2, unleveled shoulders or perhaps rotated shoulders. 3, your clothes don't fit evenly. Perhaps your shirt sits unevenly because your spine has got a curve in it. 4 would be when you bend forward. When you bend forward, I can't really show the other way, but when you bend forward, when you look at it from behind, your ribs or your back doesn't sit symmetrically. You'll have a high side and a low side. That indicates that you have thoracic rib torsion or that's scoliosis. And the last one would be that you have chronic back pain that has been unidentified. They're the 5 signs you might have scoliosis.